Here's the NS110A, national brand, now called Panasonic in Japan. It's a 100 volt R12 refrigerator built in about 1969, and I found it in Japan on Yahoo Auctions, and it was super close to the distribution center, which was a huge win. The normal in-country shipping on these is huge. You might as well be shipping a car. And I just packed a bunch of cardboard around it when I picked it up from JDM Distro.
Not too bad.
Yeah, I was more worried about scuffing the air track than the fridge itself.
No scuffs? Cool.
I wish I had an extra pair of hands, but it wasn't too bad. The load height on the air track isn't very high. And it fit. Like, didn't have to scoot the seats forward at all.
That was handy enough. Oh wow, that seat really sits back. Oh, that's interesting. Or if you put it upside down.
And because it's square, yeah, you can put it upside down.
Cool.
Electricity supply in Japan is split into two grids. One is 50 hertz, one is 60 hertz. And so somewhere near Saitama is the north-south difference. And most electronics are built to handle either frequency. Now, Ireland, it's 50 hertz across the board, but it's 238 volts AC. So I have to have a transformer to run any American tools. And the transformer should work for this. It'll plug straight in. It is the old R12, so if it ever has any leaks or damage, I'll have to take it to a reclaimer. But they're more than happy to take it because that refrigerant is expensive. And so if someone has an old commercial unit like this, then that's fine. But the R12, if it's just needs a little bit of a charge, but now I think it's much more expensive. I haven't checked prices because I don't own anything with R12, so I bought this. And yeah, JDM Distro were super helpful. Because of the lockdown, they had to babysit it. Well, no one was able to leave their home county. This is just over in Wicklow, and I'm in Dublin, so yeah, I had to wait several months. They were more than happy to help load it up, even though they told me that they might have to replace it with something because they're so used to seeing it in the warehouse that they'll miss it.
Coke can slide.
It came with everything. Had the racks for the Coke bottles or Coke cans, and you can angle them to whatever, flat or like 12 degrees. And I believe this unit is an indoor-outdoor unit as long as there's a canopy. So one side of it is very sun-faded, and it's a little rusty at the very base. If you could find a refrigerator that's 60 years old with only a little bit of rust on it that still works, then yeah, it's a good find. Yeah, I don't think anything was really damaged. It's just, oh, there was a missing piece. It's the bottle cap catcher below the bottle opener. Next is a bit of polishing, and then maybe some paint. Depends if I like the patina.
Yeah, it's in working order and everything. Oh, that'll be lovely. Yeah, so just a little bit of welding done there. Not bad for 1969. That one's a little bit of welding on that side too. But yeah, that's it. Way cool.